So let us multiply this number. Mixed fraction के लिए ट्रिक्स हैं, आपको जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 इंटू टू. 3 इंटू टू विल बी 6, राइट. उसके बाद आपको ये नंबर्स को ऐड कर देने हैं, द नंबर 5 एंड नंबर 4. So 5 प्लस 4, 5 प्लस 4 ऐड कर दोगे और यहाँ पर लिखोगे 9. After that you need to just cross multiply. You cross multiply this 1 into 2. 1 into 2 will be 2, and then 1 into 3 will be 3. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. So here is the answer 5. Okay, let's move on to the next question over here. So here it will be 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. Okay, so next you need to add this number 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will be 8, and after that you will cross multiply. Cross multiplying 2 times 5. 2 times 5 will be 10, and then 1 into 3, that will be 10 plus 3, that will be 13. Ten plus 3, that will be 13. That's the answer. Okay, now again the same tricks you need to apply. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 will be 35. Now you need to subtract this. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 will be 4, and then you need to cross multiply this. So this will be 4 times 5. 4 times 5 will be 20, and 2 times 7 will be 14. Minus 20 minus 14 will be 6. The answer is 6 over 35, 4. Okay, next over here, again you need to multiply 3 times 5. 3 times 5 will be 15, and then you need to subtract this. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 will be 5, and then cross multiplication. 4 times 5. 4 times 5 will be 20, and 3 times 3 will be 9. 20 minus 9 will be 11. This is the shortcut tricks for the mixed fraction.